everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can get this very dark and very sexy cut crease. Fun fact, this is the second time I'm ever doing this look. The first time I did this look, I'm going to put a picture right here. I didn't expect it to come out the way it did. It came out so well, and the reason why I didn't expect it to come out the way it did because I was actually cramping. I was going through one of my legendary cramps, and I wanted to do something to take my mind off the pain that I was feeling. So I was like, I'm going to sit down and do my makeup. I'm gonna sit down and try and do something different and do something interesting. So that is what today's video is going to be. I hope you enjoy. Before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you guys to join the Deola Adebiyi family here on this side of the internet. Also, I would really love it if you clicked on the notification bell so that you will always get notifications of new videos whenever I upload. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, let's get started. We're gonna be starting off with the skin, and I'm gonna be color correcting using the Maybelline Master Cameo color correcting pen. I have found that color correcting has really allowed my skin to look way better with makeup. Plus, I've developed like darker eye bags, and the hyperpigmentation around my mouth has actually gotten a bit worse because I got some acne. So color correcting is going to be helping me while I use products to fade away all the acne spots and the discoloration around my mouth. This was supposed to be done before. I was supposed to use primer before I color corrected, but I made a mistake. So I'm using primer now. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Erasing Primer. I'm going to apply it to my nose and then pat it on my cheeks because I don't want to really affect the color correcting. Then I'm going to set it with the Black Opal True Color Soft Matte Velvet Finishing Powder. I know this is a lot of skin prep before foundation, but believe me, as you'll see, my skin is going to be looking poppin'. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. This is absolutely one of my favorite foundations because it just makes my skin look beautiful. Plus, it lasts very long. It has very good wear time. It lasts a really long time. I took it out the other night and God, I was looking perfect. I looked so good after a couple of hours. Foundation works really well. I absolutely love it. I think it's worth the money, honestly. You guys should let Lancome know that I'm here for them if they want to work with me, Sha. Just let them know. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Teos Cosmetics concealer. I reviewed this in my other video. I'm going to put a link up there for you guys to see, and it's actually now one of my favorite concealers. The Maybelline is still there. But this is actually now a fave. I love the way it blends into the skin, and you'll see how beautiful it looks on the skin. Like, just look at how beautiful it looks under my eyes, and it blends really nice and well into the skin. So if you're looking for a new concealer from a Nigerian brand, I suggest you try this one out. For setting powder under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color Perfecting Powder, and I'm going to be using this to set all the areas I applied concealer, which is under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face using the setting powder that I used earlier, which is the Black Opal Soft Matte Velvet Finishing Powder. Now I'm going to be doing my brows, and you guys know how my brows go. It's really simple. I brush them out, and then I use my brown Davis pencil to fill them in. Then I use my black Davis pencil to fill them in. I blend them out again, and then I use concealer to shape and correct them. Quite a simple routine, very straightforward. Now I'll zoom you guys in a bit closer so you can see as I'm starting with the eyes. I have put on a base and I'm going to be using the Queen Amina 2 palette for this look. For the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a fluffy blending brush, sorry, a fluffy crease brush, and we're going to take the shade Color Guru and apply that into the crease. First I'm patting it into the crease, so I'm first applying that shade and then I'm going to go back and forth with that brush to diffuse it a little bit more. Then I'm going to take this hot pink, this very light pink from the Elsa Pro palette, and I'm going to be taking my fluffy brush to blend out the top because I want that area to be a bit more diffuse and not so harsh. Then I'm taking the shade Marca and then I'm taking this black eyeshadow, mixing them together and using a bullet brush, applying it right into my crease, right there, right where my crease is. That's where I'm applying it. Then I'm going to take a bigger but tight crease brush and blend out the crease so we can have some of that darkness go a bit higher. Then I'm going to take my fluffier crease brush and blend out the darkness so that it's, you know, a nice diffuse blended look. Then I'm going to go back in with that pink, that light pink, and blend out the edges. I know, a lot of blending, but it's going to be so worth it in the end. I promise you. Now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm using my concealer and I'm using a flat shader brush to do this. Usually when I do a half cut crease I just stop halfway, but since I was doing a full cut crease I decided to go into the entire eye, and I made sure to shape the concealer in a winged liner sort of way. You'll see right now that I kind of made sure to blend and shape the cut crease so that it looks like a winged line. Then I'm going to take the star shade, which is 1533 from this palette. Oh, I forgot to mention, or I forgot to, like, you guys didn't see that I put powder under my eye so that, you know, it would catch all the fallout. So yes, this is what the eye looks like when you've applied the gold shade. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm using the Younger Beauty Carbon Black liquid liner to apply my wing line. As you can see, I am applying it in the shape of that cut crease so that, you know, the wing liner effect really shows up well. Then I'm taking the Coty Cosmetics liner and I'm applying that kajal to my waterline, and then I'm applying my mascara. First I'm going to apply the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Smoky Eyes mascara. Then I'll be applying the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. Then I'm taking Color Guru on a small bullet brush and I'm applying it to my lash line. I'm going to be blending out the black I applied earlier and smoking it out with this purple shade. Then I'm going to apply the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara to my bottom lash line. Now this powder takes a while to blend out, so I gotta go back and blend it all out. As you can see, it stays. This powder stays where you put it. It stays. I had to go back in with some of my Black Opal True Color powder to help blend that out, or else it would have been too light. Now it's time to add some highlight. This is the e.l.f. Contour and Highlight Kit, and I'm applying the golden highlight that's in this kit to my cheekbones, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Then I'm taking my fluffy brush, my fluffy face brush, sorry, and I'm blending out my face basically. For my lips, I'm going to be taking this Milani pencil. I think it's fuchsia. I can't remember. The name has wiped off. And I am lining and filling in my lips. Then for the main lip shade, I'm going to be taking this Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline in the shade Slate, and I'm applying it all over my lips. I love how dark and vampy this lip is. It's absolutely one of my favorite lip products because it's so glossy and it's so dark and it's so pigmented. Like, It's all the things I've wanted in a lip product, to be honest. I'm just using a sponge to wipe away the extras on the side, and that is it for the look. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do let me know what you think of this look and of this video by leaving me a comment below. If you have any questions about the products I use, the techniques I use, or anything at all, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. I will always answer your comments. Thank you so much once again for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!